Here we have a PCM 3.1 equipped Porsche Boxster. Now we have added Apple CarPlay and Android Auto working wirelessly to the factory system, connected via a fibre optic interface. Fantastic solution. Keep watching. Another feature that this Porsche was missing was a reverse camera. Along with our Apple CarPlay Android Auto interface, we've fitted a nice discreet flush camera to the back of it. If you come and have a little look, the little camera just sits at the back here. This is a little flush camera, one of our preferred choices for a lot of the vehicles we're doing, whether we're doing 992 Porsches or Range Rovers or Jaguars. This little flush camera is going to show up on the screen when the customer's reversing and allow him to see what's going on back here so that he doesn't smack into any low walls or little children that could be running around the back of the car. Let's jump inside and I'll show you how the Apple CarPlay kit works. We're now in the interior of the Boxster, so I'm going to get in, crank it on, straight into Apple CarPlay onto the screen because the kit's already booted up. The Apple CarPlay interface works with a factory touchscreen, works really nicely, works just like this unit should have been from factory. Factory touchscreen for controls. It also links through the Bluetooth side of things, and you can use the track buttons for skipping through, which is quite nice and convenient. And we also even get the rotary control dial here, so you can navigate around the system. I normally find it quite nice for just navigating back and forward into certain apps, but quite often just hitting onto the screen is a very nice and easy way to use this system. You do also get the phone buttons for receiving calls, and also the way that this kit works on this particular install is it works through the TV source on the car. So to select the kit, if it doesn't boot into it as standard when you get in, you just select TV source, which is selected right there, and it boots into the kit. We got great music quality, we got great phone call quality, and also we have a reverse camera added to this interface. So when I put my foot on the brake, pop it into reverse, we get a nice reverse camera image with moving guidelines, which is quite helpful for angling you into the right space. Take it out reverse and it will go straight onto the Apple CarPlay system. We can install front cameras as well. If you want to watch your front lip when you're parking in and out, we can have that activated to come on to the front camera when you come out of reverse, basically, as seen on other videos on our channel. The Apple CarPlay system, if you haven't used Apple CarPlay before, it's real nice and easy to use. Just makes for a much nicer way of using your phone while driving. Your favorites, recents, contacts, keypads, checking your voicemails has never been easier. Maps, navigation apps like Apple Maps, Waze. You can use Siri, which is a nice touch, or you can just search from the screen, which is quite easy as well. Thanks for watching this video on this PCM 3.1 unit we've added Apple CarPlay to. This unit also comes in Macans, Panameras, Cayennes, 911s, Caymans. Let me know if I forgot a model. If you've got a different kind of Porsche and you want Apple CarPlay, still get in contact with us because we'll likely have a solution to add that into your Porsche, or even add a reverse camera, front camera, and any other upgrades you could possibly think of. If you've got any questions, hit us in the comments down below. But thanks for watching this video. Max in front of the camera, Paige behind the camera, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.